As many of you guys know, I am a fan of VR. I have my own VR headset, the MetaQuest 3. I also have the MetaQuest 3S lying around here somewhere. I cover a lot of VR content on the channel, other stuff as well, but especially VR. And VR content includes games. I cover games a lot on this channel, but more on my other channel. There'll be a link in the description below to that. But we're not here to talk about my other channel. We are here to talk about the sale that is going on right now as of recording this. It ends in 6 days as of recording this. And it's a reality Bytes sale. It's kind of like a spring type sale thing, if you will. And it said save up to 50% on games. Now, I will also put in the description below some games that I personally, I'll put this link, of course, as well, but I'll put also games that I personally have played and do recommend playing, because there are a lot of games here that are on the sale. Remember, it said up to 50% off. Let's see, there's games like Among Us 3D, but one of my favorite games that I played here is I've been meaning to get around to Pixel Dungeon. Maybe I will get around to it eventually, but one of my favorite games is actually my very first true VR experience game is Cosmonious High. Yeah, it's actually, when I got MetaQuest 3, this is the first legit fully immersive VR game that I played, and I recommend it to this day. Also, Synth Riders. Some of you guys may know I have a whole video about VR fitness and Synth Riders for the longest time, and still to this day, every now and then, it's still part of my fitness routine type thing. Actually, I'll let you guys in on a secret. Between you and me, sometimes if it's real cold outside or whatnot, I'll be like, hey, let's play some Synth Riders, and it would just warm me up quite quickly. Yes, normal people might just turn on the heat, which you do eventually, usually, but it's a good excuse to work out, right? Yeah, it's a good excuse to work out. I've heard positive things about Tetris Effect. Haven't got to play it personally, but I have heard some very good things. I've also heard good things about pets and stuff. There are just lots of games here. I feel like we could literally keep on going down the list. So, yeah, so far, if I had to recommend 2 games out of all of these, if you don't pick up many games, I recommend the 2 I mentioned above. And again, I'll put those in the link in the description below. And both of those games that I mentioned are Cosmonious High and Synth Riders. Okay, Cosmonious High has an interesting ending. I'm not going to spoil it for you guys. Okay, I would say from the little image you see here, it does look like a game made for little kids, okay? But I can assure you, it's a very, very, it kind of gives you a lot of what VR had to offer. It shows you the thing. You'll find yourself, bobbing, weaving, turning around, grabbing stuff mid-air and whatnot. And yeah, and you look crazy while doing it to any real life person that's watching you, but it's fun, okay? It's seriously fun, and it's on, of course, MetaQuest 3, MetaQuest 3S. I think it's on MetaQuest 2, but don't quote me on that. And then we have Synth Riders. Definitely on MetaQuest 3 and 3S. Now I'm less sure whether Synth Riders is on MetaQuest 2 or not. It could be, don't quote me on it, but yeah, Synth Riders, pretty amazing. I would actually play more, put more videos where I'm playing Synth Riders, but I mean, Synth Riders includes some music that is copyrighted music, so yeah. But yeah, I kind of feel like we got off topic here. The sale, I wanted to go over some of the games with you guys. That's why it took so long. I could just mention like a 5-second, 10-second, 30-second thing where I just say, oh, the sale is going on now. Feel free to check it out. There's only 6 days left. And I could have ended the video there. Some of you guys will probably leave in the comment section that I should have ended the video there. But I thought I'd give you guys my personal recommendations out of the games and go over some of the few and whatnot. So yeah, and can I just say, any pinball in VR seems brilliant to me. I just have to say, it's just a fun idea. I just love it. VR, guys. If you guys don't have a VR headset, I seriously do recommend either the MetaQuest 3 or even the 3S, which is I guess you could refer to the 3S as a little brother type thing, but the 3S is anything but just like a mini version. I mean, you hear little brother, you think of light, and yeah, it may be light in the sense that there is a particular feature too that is missing to make it cheaper, but if you're going to dive into VR for the first time, I do honestly recommend the 3S, okay? There's also a link in the description below to the 3S if you want to check it out as well, okay? But yeah, I digress. I'm going to end it off here. I've talked for way too long, so no one was around to stop me, so I kept going. You guys were supposed to stop me. But yeah, with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.